What's up, guys? How we doing?
Doing all right.
I said don't be weird.
Okay, I'm trying.
Yeah, Mom, what are you doing?
How we doing today, guys?
Doing all right.
Great.
Doing good.
How we feeling?
Amazing.
Yeah, you guys ready for this?
Definitely.
What are we doing?
We jumping.
We're jumping.
We're jumping.
Yeah, what do you think of these views?
It's
Gorgeous.
gonna be gorgeous. It's gonna be amazing.
They're about to get better. Up top.
Yeah, they will be.
We'll see you in the plane.
Let's go.
Woo! You guys ready? Action shot. It's gonna get weird. Two dragons. Yeah, Parker. Yeah. Up top.
Yes, sir. I do.
More?
Yeah,
What'd you think, dude?
I loved it.
What's your favorite part?
Doesn't like it. Oh, the free fall, definitely.
Yeah?
Definitely, definitely.
Would you do it again?
Hell yeah. 100%.
Right now?
Right now, yeah.
Round two.
Let's go. Let's do it.
So, anything you want to say? Do you recommend this to anybody?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, dude.
I definitely recommend it.
Thank you so much, Parker.
And thank you.
See you next time.
You can go say hi to the fam.